said you will be starting with the new topic.
Question 16. Okay. Okay, we are probably done with this. And okay, we'll do 28 question, or we'll skip that. We'll do this 28. Try 28 question. That is my voice clear? Daksh, is my voice clear?
Yes, sir.
It was saying suspicious user wants to join. Okay, we're doing 28.
I was facing network issues. That's why I got disconnected.
Make the diagram triangle. Try. Yes, Daksh.
Sure, option D, 90 degree.
How did you solve this? Is there?
Sir, because we done trigonometry in 90 degree.
Okay. What does the diagram look like?
Sir, a pole is
AB is the pole. I move. We are started with
and
28 question.
and BC is 2 root 3.
BC is 2 root 3. Okay, what else?
Sir, AB is 6.
Ah, and what else?
Sir, using Pythagoras theorem.
But why you want to use Pythagoras theorem? What's the question asking? We can use, but what do we want?
So the question says एक एक पोल है जो कि 6 मीटर हाइट पे और उसकी शैडो 2 रूट 3 मीटर्स की बन रही है तो सन सन की पोजीशन क्या होगी?
It's not sun's position. It is elevation of sun. This is what is elevation?
ओके
The angle. So we have to basically find the angle,
ओके यस सर.
and this is 90 degree. Important. Vanya, you got this?
Yes, sir. I got the figure.
Okay. Answer. Try. Okay, shouldn't take that much time for this.
So I'm getting the answer 60 degree.
So this is the first question, the first basis of the whole trigonometry chapter. That if we are that angle is related to two sides ratio. So either of these three things are given, either of two of these three things are given, we can find the remaining third thing. So here the question that we started was angle and side, but here two sides are given, so we can find the angle. So tan of C is AB by BC, which is 6 by 2 root 3, which is root 3, and C is going to be 60. As simple as that. Is that okay? Alright, so now let us begin with a new concept. So what are we done till now is first the six trigonometric ratios, second the angles table, specifically 5 angles. The third thing is complementary angles, which is removed from the syllabus, which will not discuss. And the fourth thing is we will discuss, which is in the syllabus, that is the square identities. Hi Naveen,
Hello, sir. Greetings.
just reached. So we did this question 28. You can try that yourself. And now we'll start with a new concept of square identities, the third section of this chapter. Say we have uh, this angle. So you can just you can write it later if you want, but now just if I divide that by AC square both sides, I get AB square by AC square, BC square by AC square 1. Now what is AB by AC ratio if we are selecting the angle A? Can anyone tell AB by AC ratio? AB by AC ratio, two sides, AB, AC. Huh? Amok?
God.
Caught. You caught it wrong. Daksh.
Sir, cos A.
Cos, and because it is square, so cos square A. And probably we discuss why I am writing cos square A and not cos A square. Is that okay? What is BC by AC? Naveen, what is BC by AC? What is the ratio in this?
So 1 second.
Yeah. Anyone else wants to try BC by AC ratio? Amok,
Sine square.
Sine. It is sine theta, sine A and then square. This is our first identity. Cos square A plus sine square A is equal to 1, or sine square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. Alright. Now, if I divide for getting the other two identities, one time I would divide this both sides by cos square A. Another time I would divide that by sine square A on both sides. So let's divide that by cos square A. What do I get? Cos square A by cos square A is 1. Sine square A by cos square A is sine square A. Yes, 1, yeah.
So tan square A.
Tan square A. And 1 by cos square A would be, you can continue.
Sir, 1 by cos would be sec square A.
Yes. So this is our second identity. Okay. Now, any doubts? Anyone? Now, if we divide by sine square A, we'll get cos by sine. Naveen, what is cos by sine? Cos square by sine square. You can check your notes, whatever you want to. Just Naveen, what is cos by sine?
Sir, AB by AC whole divided by
I am
BC
not
by AC.
asking. I am not asking that ratios. I am asking what is cos by sine in the trigonometric ratio. Secant, cosecant, that. What it is. Hi Sayed.
Cosecants.
Good evening,
Cosecant.
sir.
Yes, Naveen. Cos by sine is cosecant. Cos divided by sine. Check the first class notes. So we started with the square identities. This is the first one. It's kind of hidden. Cos square A plus sine square A. Naveen, you tell me the answer. This is the first identity. Second
It is
is,
tangent.
it is
Tangent.
tangent. Okay, and what is sine by cos? Let me check my notes. Now I am worried.
So sine by cos is tangent.
So what is cos by sine? That's what I'm asking.
Cot A.
Yeah, you got it right. This is cot square A, and sine square A by sine square A is 1. Are you able to follow this, or it is off track? Okay. And 1 by sine square A is Naveen. What is happening? Naveen, 1 by sine square or 1 by sine?
Cos sec A.
Yes. So cosecant square A. That's our third identity. So note all of these, first, second, third. Just note down, give me a moment. Noted? All the three. Now there are a few important things that we need to remember here. So first thing, these are square identities. Anywhere you see square coming up, we can use that. That's the first obvious thing. Second thing is, if you want sine square a, you can take cos to the other side, and this is what we have, right? Another thing, if you want to only get the value of sine a in terms of cos, so this is what we have. Third thing, because it is 1 minus cos square a, which happens to be 1 square minus cos square a, which happens to be a square minus b square form of algebraic identity. Therefore, we could have 1 plus cos a and 1 minus cos a. Same, just the extension of these identities. Now, for this one, we can have secant square a minus tan square a is equal to 1, which means secant a plus tan a, same a plus b, a minus b. Zubair, is my voice audible now?
Yes, sir, I can hear now.
So you can break this. And again, for the third part also, you can break that. So what's the point? If you, whatever we want, we can take it to the other side, transpose that. First part, first thing. Second thing is you can use a square minus b square identities also. That's also possible. Hope you have written these identities, and now let's start with few questions.
Sir, 1 minute.
Yeah. So 1, 2, and 3. This is what we need to note. Noted, everyone?
Yes, sir, I'm done.
Before going to that, let's do something else. I have been waiting for quite some time now. I said 2 classes, but it's been more than that. Let's see. How do we solve this? Solve, everyone. So this came up in someone's paper out of the 5 students present here, and It was challenging. So let's see. Anyone? What's going to be the first step? Anyone? First step. Yes, Daksh.
Yes, so the in the question we have two sec square theta, which
Cube. That is cube.
this is
Cube.
cube.
Ah.
So
Let me write it again. 5 sine theta minus 2 secant cube theta plus 2 cos theta divided by 5 sine theta plus 2 secant cube theta minus 2 cos theta. Okay.
so
Hmm.
I'm blank now.
Okay. 5 sine. See, what we have to get rid is basically this 5 sine because cos and that would really that's the same thing. Secant cos that should be easily solvable. So 5 sine theta we can put this as 3 cos theta. That should be good. Yes. And if we do that, I mean, I'm just checking. I'm doing this question for first time, so there might be some short circuits, but then let's see. Three cos theta, and this is also 3 cos theta. So we are. This is 5. This is 1, and I would convert this secant cube also to cos. So let's see. Um, 5 cos theta minus 2 by cos cube theta, and this is 1 cos theta plus 2 by cos cube theta. I'm taking the LCM. Any doubts till now? uh, 5 cos power 4 theta minus 2 cos power 4 theta plus 2, and that cos cube would get removed, in the here also we will have cos cube theta, and here also we'll have cos cube, that gets eliminated. I remove that. Now we have something in this form. One thing I notice here is 3 cos theta and 5 sin theta. So tan theta would be 3 by 5. Oh, we got it, na? Tan theta is 3 by 5. Yes. If we have the tan theta value, we can plug in the values for cos. So 3 and this is 5. This would be 3 square plus 5 square. What is that? 9 plus 25 is 34. Root 34. Root 34. And cos would be 5 by root 34. 5 into 5 by root 34 power 4 minus 2. Is that okay, or I am too fast? Daksh, is that okay? Naveen?
Yes, sir.
So please explain again. I
Okay.
don't have.
First step was I didn't pay attention. See, if we get the value of tan theta, we can get the value of sin theta and cos theta easily. Cos theta I got as 5 by root 34. And this is 3 by root 34. So you can plug in the values and solve it. That's okay. That's not a problem. But I was thinking it another way. I got this value. How you got, probably you should have understood. Is that okay till this step? This step. Is that okay? Daksh.
So how we get cos 4?
Okay, leave it. Leave it. We'll put the value of sine and these all values. Okay, leave this. I just simplified that, but I got a better way now. Uh, secant theta would be root 34 by 5. So let's put the values. Even this you could convert. I mean, okay, I already put that. So 3 into 5 by root 34, 2 into root 34 by 5 cube plus 2 cos is 5 by. Is that okay now? Okay. 3 into 5 by root 34 minus plus 2. So if you see this question first time in the exam, it is little tricky, and it happens to be the first question of the paper also. So a lot of time would go into that. Minus. That's a tricky thing to do with the students. 5 by root 34. So probably now solving this shouldn't be an issue. If it is, let me help you out. 15 by root 34. This is 2 into. I'll put the cube as it is because I will take the LCM and all, it would get simplified. 125, and this is 10 by root 34. I think it's further getting complicated. Fifteen by root 34 cube by 125 minus 10 by root 34. The LCM would be 125. Okay. So I would suggest you to first get it into only one of this, either secant, cos, sine, whatever it is. Just get it into one, because we are further, if you do, it's getting complicated. Although it is surely solvable, but then it's further getting sophisticated. So this is 15 into 125 minus 2 root 34 power 4. A lot of students might face difficulty here. And okay, the LCM is 125 root 34. See, I put the value of sine here instead of this 5 sine theta I took as 3 cos theta. I put the values of each of this. So this shouldn't be a problem after getting the tan theta. Now solving part is little tricky. I'm expanding this, and this is what I got till now. Here I'm taking the LCM. So 125 root 34 is the LCM, and then we have to multiply this by 225, this by root 34, and this by 1. Oh, this is 125 again. Yeah, sorry. This is again 125. This is surely from R.D. Sharma. That's what I understand. Is it? Okay, never mind. And denominator will have 15 into 125. Of course, it's the same value, symmetrical values, and plus 2 into root 34 power. Why didn't I expand this root 34? Because I was getting a root 34 in the LCM, and that would multiply. We will have it 4 times. So that's why I didn't solve it previously with the cube one. And this is going to be into 125, 10 into 125. Okay. Is the LCM part okay? Anyone has any doubts? It's a lengthy question for now, surely. There might be a better way of doing this, because I see it's for 1 mark. Now I don't know why they give it for 1 mark, but really. Anyways. So never do these questions. I mean, this shouldn't be the first question that you write in the exam. Okay, this shouldn't be. It's going to be a whole you know, balance would go off, and it's for that purpose, I think. 15 into 125, I don't know, it is 1250 and 625, so 1875. Just check if it is true. 2 into 34 square, because it was power root and power 4, and this is 1250, this thing. Oh my god, it's, and this gets removed for good. 1875 plus 2 into 34 square plus minus 1. Why did we get this? Oh, there is no root. Okay, okay, okay. There, this is wrong. This not there. This not there. Okay, good. Uh, for those who are finding it very difficult, the calculation part, you can try it yourself. Point is, you get the triangle, you get the sides, and you plug the values. That's what the main thing was. I think it is solvable now. Yes, roots is gone. Everything is looking lot more aesthetically pleasing. So let's solve this. Yeah, the first one is correct, and plus 1250 3125. 34 square is 34 1156 times 2 2312, and here we'll have 3125 plus 2312, and let's see what that is. 813. Is that some option? The denominator is 3125 plus, okay, I think it is some option. No, it's further solved. My god. Let me check the answer. And if it is none of these, I mean, this question is really to bother the students. So tease the students basically. Okay, this is what exactly we should get. Apart from, no, it is correct. So we can further simplify this. Can we take something common? Yeah, 3. So 3, 2, 7, 1, and this is 124 is 8. Oh my god. 224 8. 1 8. Oh, okay, okay. This is not 3125. To subtract that. 625. Okay, so it was a nightmare to be in the first question of the paper. The point is, I mean, the concept wise, the point is you have to get the triangle and get the sine, cos, whatever values are. Solving is very tricky. A lot of calculations. Probably it would take 10. I took nearly 15 to 18 minutes for this using calculator, by the way. And of course, I went wrong 2 3 places, but it is very long and very to be to be very clear, unwanted question basically. It's not required for this level. Okay. Okay, so I should have continued with the square identity. The whole session got off. Okay, so I hope you got the point. I would not explain further now. LCM calculation, that was the tricky part. Not good. I wonder if anyone would have got this. And for those who have got this, surely they might have left quarter of that paper. They might have not done. So, anyways, it's your choice to get 1 marks. Take it to your ego. I want that 1 mark, just like I took it. So, but I had the opportunity and the resources. I had 5 people cheering up for me, but and calculator, so I could do that. But you would be alone, basically. Okay. Anyways, so be aware of these type of questions. The purpose of this question is what it is. Okay. My camera went off, so camera also got angry. Okay, so we have these 3 identities. Where are these? I lost track of that. So these 3 identities, and we'll start questions based on this. Let's try the 34th. You probably noted the identities. Just give it a try. 34. Zubair, you're there or
Yes, sir, I'm there.
okay. Just try this. And the 13th question of that paper we will be doing in 3 or 4 classes from now. Okay, in application of trigonometry. Okay. I can explain that, but you will get confused, so there is no point. It would be in a flow. Yes, Daksh.
Yes, sir. 9 sec square a minus 9 10 tan square a is equals to take 9 common, and we
Okay.
know that uh, we
Okay,
know
taken. Huh.
we know that the uh, second and second minus tan square a is equals to 1 using the second identity of trigonometry. So 9 into 1, the answer is 9. B.
Easy. Easy peasy. Okay. Let us. Anyone has any doubts? Zubair, is that okay?
No, sir, no.
That was the easy one. 37. Plug and play. 37. Which identity we have to use? Anyone? Okay, you try. You take your time. You take your time. Anyone else? What is 1 plus tan square? Naveen?
Sir, it's sector square A by cosec square A.
Sec square A by
Cosec square A.
cosec square A. And what is sec square A or secant A? That is
1
1
by
by
sine square A.
1 by sine. And what is cosecant?
Consequent is 1 by square. 1 by sine
One.
square.
And what is secant?
Secant is sine square A.
Secant is sine square.
Sine square A, sir.
I am asking what is secant A in terms whose reciprocal is secant A and whose reciprocal is cosecant A. Just check and tell. You can refer your notes. Yes.
Sir, it's 1 by cos square A. Secant
1
square.
by cos square A and cosecant square is
1 by sine square.
very good. I mentioned, you can see, you can look till the end of this chapter. You can refer your notes. This is a tricky chapter, but after that I won't allow you. Okay, what this is? Everyone pay attention. It is A by B divided by C by D. It's this form, A by B divided by C by D. So what do? We flip this C by D, right? So A by B multiplied by D by A, D by C, sorry. Right? Suppose if I had only, let's say I have 2 divided by 3 divided by 4 by 5. So I would flip this, I would get 2 by 3 into 5 by 4. Not a problem. Now, what if I have 2 by 3 divided by 4? What to do? We have to take divided by 1 here. We have to complete this A by B, C by D. Did we discuss this? Probably somewhere. No. Yes. Okay. Half-hearted, yes. So 2 by 3 and flip this 1 by 4. So that's the answer. You can simplify it. If I had 2 divided by 4 by 5. So I don't have this B. A by B. B is not there. So I will take it as 1. And then flip it again 2 by 1 into 5 by 4. Flipping is constant. Taking the 1 divided by 1, that is depending on what's missing. So this is how we solve it. Okay. So Naveen, solve this further. What do you get?
We'll get sine square A by cos square A, which is equal to tan
Very
square.
good. Very good. All right. Okay. Zubair, you got this?
Yes, sir.
So if you got this, let me get something that you will not get. Okay. So we'll continue with this and okay, one small question. 53. Last question. I mean, it's small for me. I don't know for you. 53. I will discuss this. You try it for 1 minute. You take your minute and then we will discuss. So what I foresee is we can convert the sine square or cos square using the square identity. So 2 sine square theta minus 1 minus sine square theta is 2, right? And now probably you will get the thing, sine square theta minus 1 plus sine square theta is equal to 2. Can you solve this further? What's theta? Which value of theta it would be true? Have to solve it further. Keep sign on one side, other values on the other, divide, multiply, square, take square root, whatever you want to. Get that? You're done, Amog? Tell me.
Uh, theta is equal to 90 degree.
90 degree. What's next step of this?
It will be 3 sine square theta minus 1 is equal to 2.
Minus
Minus 1 is equal to 2.
plus 1.
No, minus.
1 goes to that side. It would be is equal to
Is equal to 3.
3.
No.
So sine square theta is equal to 3 by 3, which is 1. Therefore theta is 1. Under root of this 1, 1. Sine theta is 1. Theta is 1. Naveen, is that okay?
Yes.
Vanya, you got this? Okay, so we'll continue from here, and it would take 2 more classes to finish this. It's pretty long chapter. Basically, the prove that questions are a little tricky and you need to give time. So, Zubair, you are done or you have some doubt?
I'm done. I'm done.
Okay. So we'll continue this and see you next time. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Thanks, sir.
Bye.
Bye,
See you
sir.
next.
Bye,
Thank you,
Yeah.
sir. Bye,
Thank you,
sir.
sir. Bye, sir.